How's it going, everybody? Chip Bleem here from Freedom Chiropractic and Rehab. Today we want to talk about an exercise that we call elephant ears in the office. It's a relatively simple exercise that we show to most of our neck and upper back pain patients, even on our first day of treatment. You'll start by taking your thumbs up, turning those thumbs down, putting your knuckles on your temples. From here, we want to keep our wrists nice and straight. We're going to roll on our knuckles to bring our elbows as close together as we can, and then take them as far apart as we can. We usually recommend to people to do 10 of these or so in the morning and then again at night. But the secret weapon with this exercise is that you can use it throughout the day. So when you're sitting at your desk and you're starting to notice that your posture is slumping, literally put your knuckles on your temples, bring your elbows as far apart as possible, and then return to your workstation. You'll notice that your posture changes almost immediately. And what's going to happen then is in 20 minutes, we might start to creep back down again, but we can use that exercise one more time. It's a really simple exercise, really easy to incorporate. Give it a shot and let us know what you think.